Which Husqvarna 128Ld gas string trimmer accessory is actually worth your time? It's a simple question, but really, you have to dig a bit to find the best options. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, Titanium Force Trimmer Line. First up is the Titanium Force .095-inch 140-foot spooled string trimmer line. At just $12.99, this professional-grade copolymer line really caught my eye for its durability. If you want consistent trimming without hassle, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This trimmer line boasts a .095-inch thickness, which means it's tough enough to tackle even the stubbornest weeds. The 140-foot length means fewer trips to replace the line, saving you time and frustration. It's already racked up over 6,000 sales just this past month, so people are clearly finding it useful. Now, some people complained about the line getting tangled sometimes. Here's the thing though, as long as you wind it properly onto the spool, you shouldn't have much trouble. It's really about the user's technique. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a reliable and durable trimmer line. Skip this one if you're a casual user who doesn't want to bother with maintenance. Now, if the durability of the line is what you're after, the next product might catch your interest for something even more essential. Product number 2, T25 Trimmer Head. Next, we have the 2-pack 128Ld trimmer head, T25 for Husqvarna Weed Eater, priced at $19.98. It immediately stood out to me for its compatibility with various models. If you want effortless reloading and less downtime, this is worth a serious look. This trimmer head is designed to be user-friendly. The easy-to-reload spool means you won't have to flip your trimmer upside down to replace the line, which is a headache many of us face. It holds 16.5 feet of line, keeping you cutting longer without interruptions. This feature really matters because it simplifies your lawn care routine, especially if you're juggling a busy schedule. However, some users found the spool design a bit confusing at first. Here's the thing. Once you get the hang of it, it really saves you time and hassle. It's just about that initial learning curve. This is perfect for you if you want to streamline your yard work. Skip this one if you're not comfortable with some basic assembly. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for maintaining your trimmer's performance. Product number 3, Carburetor Tune-Up Kit. Now, let's talk about the 128Ld Carburetor Tune-Up Kit for $19.98. This is a must-have if you want your trimmer running smoothly. If peak engine performance is what you're after, this is worth a serious look. This kit replaces OEM part numbers and includes all the essentials: a carburetor, air filter, fuel lines, spark plug, and more. This means you can restore your trimmer's fuel-air mixing, ensuring smooth idling and easy starting. With 700 plus purchases last month, people clearly see the value here. Some folks complained about the complexity of installation, but here's the thing. A little patience and following the instructions go a long way. If you're DIY savvy, this is a great investment. This is perfect for you if you're serious about maintaining your trimmer's performance. Skip this one if you prefer to pay for professional maintenance. Now, if you're looking for something to keep your trimmer running even better, the next product might interest you. Product number 4, Air Filter Tune-Up Kit for $11.99. This kit caught my attention because of its value and essential components. If you want to keep your trimmer in top shape, this is worth a serious look. This kit comes with a fuel line, primer bulb, and spark plug, which are crucial for maintaining engine efficiency. A clean air filter means better airflow and improved combustion, which translates to better performance. The low price of $11.99 makes it an affordable choice to ensure your trimmer runs like new. However, some users felt the parts didn't fit perfectly on older models. Here's the thing. Double-checking compatibility with your specific model can save you from that hassle. It's a small step that makes a big difference. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an economical way to maintain your trimmer. Skip this one if you own an older model and aren't comfortable with compatibility checks. Now, if you're set on keeping your trimmer in top shape, let's take a look at the last product. Product number 5, Fuel Line Primer Bulb Kit. Finally, we have the 128Ld Fuel Line Primer Bulb Kit. At $11.99, this kit is a simple yet vital addition to your trimmer's maintenance. If you want hassle-free starts, this is worth a serious look. This kit includes a primer bulb and fuel lines, which are essential for getting the fuel flowing smoothly to your engine. It's crucial for making sure your trimmer starts quickly and runs efficiently, so you're not wasting time on frustrating starts. With over 300 purchases last month, it's clearly resonating with users. Now, some people mentioned issues with the primer bulb being too stiff. Here's the thing, if you apply a little patience when installing it, you'll find it works perfectly. It's just about getting that right touch. This is perfect for you if you want an easy way to ensure your trimmer starts up without a hitch. Skip this one if you're not comfortable with a bit of DIY installation. To wrap it all up, if you're serious about keeping your Husqvarna 128Ld running smoothly, these products offer a range of options from maintenance to performance enhancement.
So there you have it, 5 must-have products for your Husqvarna 128Ld gas string trimmer. From durable trimmer line to essential tune-up kits, each offers unique benefits. Whether you're looking for ease of use, performance, or maintenance, there's something here for everyone. Happy trimming!